Does your family like KFC? Well, if they do, I have a great recipe that your family will love. Simple ingredients, as you can see, and it only takes 30 minutes. Watch this video. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Kay, and today I'm going to be making you a great recipe. This is going to be my version inspired by KFC. KFC has the KFC bowls, which is like chicken and mashed potato with gravy and cheese. They're delicious, they're yummy, especially if you have children in the house, they will lick the bowls, okay? And especially, I don't know where you guys are, but where I am, it is so cold. And what's better than warm food? So the ingredients, as you can see, the very few, it's gonna be chicken cutlets, which I have already pre-cut and washed and make them all pretty. Chicken breast, some corn, potatoes, cream for your potatoes, breadcrumbs, and if you have any type of gravy, I actually happen to have some granules. These are gravy. You put them in water. They're delicious, which I'm going to use for the recipe. And the rest of the stuff that you need is stuff that you already have: oil, salt, and pepper. So we already have that stuff at home. So yeah, these are the ingredients. So we're starting with the potatoes. Usually potatoes is what takes the longest. So I have already peeled them, washed them, and I started cutting some of them. And I'm gonna cut the rest. So you can cut your potatoes however you like. I mean, you're gonna mash them at the end of the day, so it doesn't really matter. I normally tend just to cut them in chunks. They usually tend to cook faster. So while I'm doing this, guys, I hope everybody's having actually, I hope everybody's keeping warm because it is cold. It is so cold outside, guys. Let me tell you a little something. When I was in the process of moving back to the States, right, we decided to move to, we have relatives here in North Carolina. So I was told, you don't need to bring jackets. You don't need warm clothes. I mean, I'm sure as you guys already noticed, I only wear black 99.9% of the time. So I remember being told, it gets so hot there, you won't even be wearing black clothes. Well, little did I know, I still do. And it's just so cold. It's like 28. I think last night was like 17 degrees overnight. It was in Celsius, guys. That's like 8 degrees, minus 8 degrees. So it's very, very cold. Anyway, so while we're doing this together, let me tell you a little story, another story. So during the pandemic, when we were during the pandemic, I was still living in London with my family, so everything was shut down. There was nothing, no deliveries, no food, no restaurant, nothing. So I saw online that a lot of people started doing like KFC fried chicken and stuff like that. And I actually did the fried chicken. It came out okay. It wasn't bad. But then I started doing like the KFC bowls because I remember back in the days when I used to live in New York, I always used to buy them. So this is where I got my inspiration for this recipe. So I decided to come up with my own version of my own bowl. So I started making mashed potato. I was like, okay, that looks very easy. Mashed potatoes, chicken, corn. I mean, how hard can it be? So that's where I got my inspiration from. But there is one thing, a disclaimer. I know the KFC bowls do come with cheese. I don't have cheese. I actually forgot to get the cheese, but also my husband don't care for cheese, so it was okay. I was like, you know what? We don't. I feel like we eat tons of cheese in this house, so we were like, you know what? We might just give it a miss. We're not gonna miss it. It's okay. Anyway, guys, the chicken. I'm sorry, the potatoes are done. So now what we're gonna do? We're gonna pop them into a hot boiling water, and then we're gonna start with the chicken. So while the potatoes are boiling, we're gonna start with the chicken. So again, guys, for the purpose of the video, I have already done some chicken cutlets here, breaded them and stuff, but I have one to show you how I do it. So you take a nice piece of chicken, make sure you remove all the fat, all the yucky stuff. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it inside one of those little Ziploc bags. What did I just say? And what we want to do is you just want to give it, with one of these, you just want to give it a little bash. That's it. You want to tenderize the chicken, and you're also making it bigger. So if you have a small piece of chicken, now you could just stretch it out. So that's it. You just want to give it a little You want to tenderize it a little bit. Once that's done, you get it out. See, it's a little bit bigger now. And now you want to start with your seasoning, right? So we're gonna do the usual. Put whatever seasoning you like. I'm gonna put some salt, some pepper. I'm gonna put some what is this? Garlic powder. And guys, you know I'm Latin, so I gotta use my adobo for some flavor, right? I'm not gonna touch the pepper thing because I got chicken hands. But yeah, so once you've done that, you're gonna take the plate and you just going to do the breadcrumbs like this. Now, I know a lot of people are gonna say, but wait a minute, where's the flour and where's the eggs? I don't do that. And I'll be very honest, I just feel that you don't really need to do that. If I have, and I can honestly say that I've done the test. I have actually done it with the eggs and the flour and all the stuff, and just the breadcrumbs. And guess what? It comes out the same, no difference. As a matter of fact, I feel that when you use the eggs, the whole sometimes when you cut the chicken, like it kind of comes out a little bit because of the eggs and everything. I don't know. It's just I don't know. I just don't really care for it. It's unnecessary. But if you like to do it that way, go ahead. I just like to put the breadcrumbs and just put a little pressure just to make sure they stay. And that's it. This is what your chicken cutlet should look like. And did you know that chicken cutlets actually comes from the region of Milan in Italy? And actually in Italian, it's still called, I think it's called Milanese or Milanesa. No, I think it's called Milanese, which comes from the region of Milan and the Lombardy region, if you're familiar with some of the regions in Italy. But this is something that actually it's unique to different places. I don't know if it's unique, but actually different countries have different variations of it. For example, in Austria and I believe in Germany as well, you have schnitzel, and it's usually done with veal schnitzel, I believe. And actually, I had it, but not veal. I had chicken, and they're massive. They're like it covers the whole entire plate. They're delicious. Also in Japan, it's called katsu, I believe, and it's usually served with a curry and white rice. I never had it because I don't eat curries. So there you go. I said it. I don't eat curries. But I know my husband has it in. A lot of people say they're delicious. The only difference is that in Japan, instead of using regular breadcrumbs, they use I think it's called panko, which is kind of like a crispier, thicker breadcrumbs, but looks delicious. And also in Latin America, we have in Latin America, in Argentina, and Peru, we call it milanesa, which again, it refers to the Italian name of Milanese. Anyway, guys, if you did not know that, well, now you know. You're welcome. Hey, guys, I have actually put Christmas lights. You can see the twinkling all over the kitchen. It just sets the mood. It goes with the holidays. And I'm the kind of person that I like, anything that twinkles. But I just wanted to let you know that my inspiration for this is actually a famous British chef or cook. Her name is Nigella Lawson. She's amazing. She's great. She's gorgeous. She always has the most beautiful Christmas episodes during the holidays. And her kitchen is covered in twinkle lights and little candles. So yeah, this was my inspiration. I just wanted to show you that. So check this out. So, take a look. See? I mean, it doesn't show a lot because obviously I have a light for filming. But yeah, this are the lights. I mean, they were twinkling. Well, they are twinkling now. But I just wanted to show you guys. It just looks so amazing. So if you have any spare lights, just throw them around your house and your kitchen. Make it look festive. See, there they go. See, now it looks like I'm at a club. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you that. Let's get back to cooking. Okay, so now we have the chicken cutlet has been fried. We got the corn, and we also got the mashed potatoes, and we got the gravy. So all we need to do now is just put the whole thing together. So we're gonna go ahead and cut the chicken. And I mean, I could be using the cutting board, right? But I'm not. So yeah, so what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna cut this like this. Just cut this in 8 pieces, 10 pieces, whatever. Just cut your chicken like this. And sorry guys, this is a little bit messy, but that's okay. We never said we were perfect. So now what you're gonna do is mashed potato. I'm gonna do a layer of sweet corn. I go like this. Put your sweet corn like that. Put more if you like. Then we're gonna put the cheese. I mean, sorry, not the cheese. I keep thinking about the cheese because I don't have it. But you're gonna put the chicken. Put your pieces of chicken like that. I would probably cut it a little bit more, but it's supposed to be like this. And now I have pre-made some gravy. So guys, I wanted to show you this gravy. It's actually called Bisto. This is a British gravy. It's granules, basically, powder granules with all the flavors and everything. You just add hot water, mix it up, and it thickens up, right? And now, once your gravy is done, you just pour it around. If you want cheese, add some cheese to it. And pretty much, guys, this is it. I mean, is it the prettiest of the meals? I mean, it's okay, right? I don't know, it has brown gravy in it, but it's delicious, guys. I am telling you, go do it. Mashed potatoes, corn, some sort of fried chicken, chicken cutlets, and cheese and gravy. That's it. That's all you need. 5 simple ingredients, and this is going to be a hit in your house. So now, the moment of truth, we're gonna go ahead and taste it. Make sure you get the chicken, the mash, and the gravy. Mmm. Mmm. This is so good. So good. Guys, please go do it. Thank me later. Anyway, guys. Anyway, guys, this is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this simple, quick, and easy and inexpensive recipe. If you have any questions or anything, please leave a comment on the description, on the link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next episode. Bye.